right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's go right into the plays. So we bought SPY calls 298.5 for the strike. Bought them exactly at 9:30 in the morning. We paid an average of $1 per contract, and it's up $1.54 now. So we're basically up 52% as of right now. This video is being recorded live. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned. I'm projecting to make this around an $8,000 play by the time the market closes. That is my projection. Again, I'm happy where we at right now. I could actually cash out right now, make another great video of how I did it, but I'm going to talk about it live while the market is transforming. With all that being said, let's hop into exactly what happened this morning. The market opened. As soon as the market opened, it went down. All right, right about here. Market opened, went down, and oh man, this right here, I caught this. But let me tell you how I caught this and exactly. So this is between 9:30 and 9:35. All right, guys. So basically, Apple. You guys remember the last video? Apple was gaining huge momentum. If you guys are not familiar with the stock market, Apple is a market mover. If Apple trends higher, more than most likely, the stock market will trend higher as well. So basically, Apple opened up and I got confirmation. It spiked up. And I was like, wow, this is going to move the market. It was the easiest play in the world. So I said, let's go buy some SPY calls. And guess what happened with SPY? SPY was actually going down. It was just like a double dip for me. There was a little concern. Why is the market going down when Apple is going up? Again, I had to make these decisions in about 3 minutes in order to catch this, and I did. But again, guys, this is happening live. And I'm going to update you guys what's happening with the portfolio. Hopefully, we'll close around $7,000 to $8,000 today. That would almost be another double your money day. All right, guys, stay tuned. I will talk to you soon. Good luck trading. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. I will be making videos that will educate. Again, these videos are not educational videos. It's more of a diary, all right? And what I'm trying to do is, again, small amount of money, big amount of money. You guys can see it. You guys can follow it. I want to build credibility before I start teaching, okay? I'm not one of these other, YouTubers that make videos saying, hey, guys, I made this much money in the stock, or I did this, or I did that. I want to actually show it to you, prove it to you, video by video. All right, guys? Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, and I appreciate you.